Children, how are you all? Hope so you are doing good. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, that is Ignite Math ARP. Yes, children, in today's class I have brought you a very interesting concept, that is the division of algebraic expressions, which you are going to use in 9th standard ICSE, CBSE state syllabus, okay, a lot, right? So whenever I'm dividing one algebraic expression by another algebraic expression, we actually follow two kind of divisions, that is a long division, which is actually mentioned in your textbooks, right? So I'll just take example to demonstrate the same. Divide 6x cube minus 3x square plus 8x minus 5 by x plus 3. Over here, I need to identify what is dividend and what is a divisor, right? So here, this is nothing but the dividend and this is a divisor. So I'll just write this one as a 6x cube minus 3x square plus of 8x minus 5, which is going to be divided by the divisor, that is x plus 3. Before you start with actual division, one more very important thing to be kept in mind, that powers of the variables in the dividend as well as in the divisor should be either arranged in the ascending order or in the descending order. So here they both are arranged in the descending order. So now how to start the process? I'll take the first term of the dividend, that is 6x cube, to be divided by the first term of the divisor, that is x. So then it is going to be 6x square. So that is going to be the first term of the quotient. 6x square into x is 6x cube plus of 6 into 3 is 18x square I am going to get. So here I am supposed to change the sign. After changing the sign, they both get cancelled. So here minus 3 minus 18, that is minus 21x square. Then later this plus 8x to be taken down. Right. So repeat the same process again. Minus 21x square, that is the first term of the dividend, to be divided by first term of the divisor, that is x. So I am going to get it as minus 21x. So that is the next term in the quotient, minus 21x. So this is going to be minus 21x square minus 21 plus 3. When you are multiplying, you are getting it as a minus of 63x. So now I am supposed to change the sign. So when I change the sign, these two will get cancelled. Over here, I am going to get this one as 71x. So later, this minus 5 to be taken down. Right. So repeat the same process. 71x divided by x. So that is going to be 71, which is going to be the next term of the quotient 71. So 71 into x is 71x. 71 into 3 you are supposed to do. When you do plus 71 into 3, that is nothing but 213. Okay. So you are going to get it as 213. Then later you are going to subtract it. Okay, this is plus 213. Later you are subtracting it. These two will get cancelled and you will be left with minus 218. So you must know this is nothing but the remainder. This is my remainder, right? So this is the quotient. This is the quotient. Pay attention, children. This is a quotient and this is the dividend. This is dividend and this is divisor. This is what I am going to get. So means what? Quotient, I have got it as 6x square minus 21x plus of 71, and remainder I got it as minus 218. Here the dividend is this expression and the divisor is this expression. So this is what happens when I divide one algebraic expression by another algebraic expression by long division method. So now let me explain about one of the other method, that is a synthetic division. Right, synthetic division. Okay, synthetic division. In synthetic division, what happens? See, please pay attention over here. The dividend over here is, as you know, it is 6x cube minus of 3x square plus 8x minus 5 to be divided by the dividend, that is x plus 3. right? So what I'm going to do, the powers of the variable to be arranged in the descending order. So I'll just write the coefficient, children, keep in mind. So 6 I will write, and minus 3 I will write, plus 8 I will write, minus 5 I will write. Only the coefficients of the variables I have written over here, and the constant term minus 5 I have written it over here. So the divisor to be equated to 0, the divisor to be equated to 0, x is equal to minus 3 I am going to get. So that minus 3 I will write it over here. I'll just draw a line like this, and minus 3 I will write it over here, right? So first term I'll keep it as it is, that is 6 itself, that is 6 itself, right? Then what are you going to do? Minus 3 into 6 is minus 18, that is minus 18. So when you simplify this, I'm going to get it as minus 21. Then later minus 3 into minus 21, it's going to be plus of 63. So plus of 63 plus 8, that is nothing but plus 71. Right. So again minus 3 into plus 71 I am supposed to do, that is 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, plus and minus together becomes minus. So that is minus of 218 I am getting it. So children, you need to understand, in the case of divisor, the highest power of the divisor, okay, variable in the divisor is 1. So that is what we call it as a linear polynomial, okay, linear polynomial, okay. So when a linear polynomial is a divisor, and here highest power of the variable in the case of dividend is 3. So means what, degree of the dividend is 3. So whenever a linear polynomial divides a cubic polynomial, this is degree 3. Okay, cubic polynomial, the quotient is going to be quadratic polynomial, that is nothing but the degree is 2. The degree is 2, right? So now I can easily write the quotient over here. Pay attention. Quotient can be written as a 6x square, because the quotient is quadratic. Quadratic means what? Degree 2. 6x square minus of 21x plus of 71. So this is going to be my quotient, 6x square minus of 21x plus of 71. This is going to be the quotient, and the left out one over here, that is going to be the remainder. So the remainder is going to be minus 218. In the previous case, if you observe, same quotient we have got over here, and the same remainder we have got over here. So this is nothing but the synthetic division method. This is nothing but the time saving method, right? Here we can easily save time to get the quotient and remainder, right? But please ask your teacher whether the marks will be given for this method or not in the exam. But 100% you can definitely adopt this method whenever you are doing multiple choice questions, right? I hope so you enjoyed this video. Please keep watching my channel and keep liking the videos, and subscribe to my channel, that is Ignite Math ARP. Yes children.